Hey girls, thanks for tuning in to another wig video. This wig is from OMGherhair. So before we get started with any type of styling, I want to show you guys the hairline on this wig. So this is what the hairline looks like before I do any plucking, and I'm going to show you guys the other side of the wig after I did plucking. So as you can see, it's really like a preference thing on the hairline. Either you can roll with the hairline that originally comes with the wig, which is pretty good for a curly wig, or you can go in and tweeze the hairline a little bit more. I do have a full tutorial on that if you want to check it out. So after I have plucked the hairline to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and take a spray bottle with water and spray the water all over the hair. Now this is a 14-inch wig. The curl pattern on this wig is pretty tight, and I'm here for that. You guys know I love a super tight, curly, defined wig. The density on this wig is also 180%. And when it comes to curly hair, I do prefer to have my density between 150 to 180 just because it makes the hair look a lot more fuller. The curls are more fuller. They're more super defined. I just prefer it. To me, it just looks better than the regular wigs. So anyways, I'm taking a paddle brush and I am just brushing through the hair. And you guys ask me all the time, why do I use a dimming brush so much? It's because it's fabulous and it works. Like, I hated that I had to use the paddle brush for that clip to show you guys the difference with using the paddle brush and using the dimming brush, as you guys can see right now. The dimming brush definitely helps define the curls in the wig so much more better than a paddle brush. I hate paddle brushes for curly hair. Like, just don't do it. Trust me, the dimming brush will have your curls looking bomb as fuck, whether it's on a wig or it's your own natural curly hair. Like, it's that dope. So next I'm going to take some hair mousse. I got this method from a YouTuber and I cannot remember her channel. I'm going to post the link below once I do. But she used hair mousse on her curly hair and her hair was so freaking pretty. She also used it on her hairline, and basically what the hair mousse does is it molds the hair. Like, if you use gel for your baby hair, sometimes gel leave your edges looking very stiff and just sometimes not cute. But if you use the hair mousse, it will give you a more softer, natural look, to the point where your baby hairs don't look like they're gelled down. They just look like they lay there. So to lay my baby hairs, only thing I do is take a little bit of hairs from the hairline and I cut them using a razor comb. I also go in with the hair mousse to start to shape and lay the baby hairs. Honestly, this is the most easiest method when it comes to laying your baby hairs, is using the hair mousse to do so. So next, before the hair dries, I'm going to go in with some curling hair cream and apply it all over the wig. And after a couple of hours, this is what the wig and the hairline looks like. Like I said, the hair mousse definitely helps with molding and shaping the curls and the hairline. So I would definitely suggest this if you are someone who just can't get your baby hairs to do right. Try this method. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on and see what it do. So as you can see, the wig does look stiff from the hair mousse, which is expected. A quick fix to that is just adding some water and it will loosen up the hair. I also went ahead and cut the lace off camera. If you guys want to see a video on how I do that, I'll have that link below. But when I cut the lace off my wigs, I don't cut a whole lot off just yet. I cut more off once I put the wig on my head. Also, when cutting the lace, make sure you're going like in a zigzag, but not a straight across cut, because then it's going to give you an unnatural look. So like I said, to loosen up the stiffness in this wig, add some water and it will fix that issue. But the hair looks super duper pretty and the curls are super duper defined. And as you guys may or may not see, my lace is looking a little light, so I'm going to go in with some foundation powder and tint my lace. This is going to also hide the lace as well, just so it kind of blends into your skin a lot better. So this is pretty much what the wig looks like after I am done styling it. This wig is super duper pretty. I would definitely suggest this wig to someone who likes short curly hair and is going for a very natural look. Of course, if you want to see more videos, definitely make sure you subscribe, and if you love this video, thumbs it up and share it. Bye guys.